Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Kuda and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build an entire affiliate marketing business on YouTube in a single day. Now I'm showing you this as in me doing the actual steps by steps process to show you how much work I'm willing to put in a single day to actually build an entire YouTube channel. Now you can follow everything that I'm showing you how to do. This is an entire blueprint showing you exactly how you can go from $0 to $100 every single day all the way up to $1,000 in a single day. And the tool we're going to be using for this is Legendary Marketer. Now if you haven't checked out my other channel, I have my main channel called Crossroads, so check that out. I'm monetizing that channel. I've got just under 2,000 subscribers on it. This new channel I'm building here, I want to show people who are beginners, what kind of skeptical is in what's achievable when you start in YouTube. I want to show that it's not too late, and I'm going to build an entire YouTube channel in a single day to show you that it can actually work out for you. So let's get started in this video. So where we left off in the first video, apologies, my first video was out of focus. Now I've fixed up my camera to put it on manual focus because the autofocus literally destroyed my entire video, but the entire video had good content, so I'm gonna upload it anyway. So now we're gonna move on to discussing how exactly we're gonna build this entire channel. So I've drafted out a vast range of topics we want to talk about in this video. So obviously we've got titles that we can pick for this video. So what's actually interesting is I haven't actually picked a title for this particular video, but I'm going to pick it right now with you right here. So today I'm going to call this video, let's say, how to promote a high-tech affiliate program legit in 2020. Now why have I picked that particular title? The way that I actually find my titles of what I want to promote is I simply go onto here and then type in something like high ticket affiliate marketing programs, and this will actually gives me suggestions. So YouTube actually gives us suggestions of things that are actually being searched. Now what we're going to do is we're going to literally use that title for this particular video, because what we're actually talking about today is how you can actually make $1,000 in a single day. Now you're probably seeing a lot of YouTubers that are making a lot of money online, and you're probably thinking, how exactly are they doing this? Now the ones that are in the make money online niche, such as Big Mark here, you've got Jay Brown as well, these two as well as Jonathan Montaya, all of these have affiliate marketing based YouTube channels. Now a lot of their income, their vast percentage, is not coming from YouTube, but it's coming from something called Legendary Marketer. And what we're going to do with this particular channel called the Legendary Marketer is we're going to see if we can get ourselves onto this leaderboard by obviously doing and putting in the work and helping people to actually in affiliate marketing. So as I mentioned before, the way that Legendary Marketer works is you first start with a 15-day business challenge, and then you move over to choosing either a YouTube or a TikTok account. Now from YouTube or TikTok account, you're going to use this to direct traffic into your Legendary Marketer affiliate link. Now when you're first starting off, I would recommend literally go through the business challenge, listen to your business advisor. So the challenge is $7, and your business advisor will pretty much tell you exactly what you need to learn about affiliate marketing. They'll tell you everything, the entire blueprint. Now the best thing is a lot of these business advisors that Legendary Marketer actually give you, these are people that have been through the exact same journey, people who have been working full-time and now are full-time in affiliate marketing, or people that literally were making maybe $1,000 online or $0 online, and now they've gone on to make a full-time living online, making all the way up to like $20,000 a month, some of them. And that's the kind of achievable goal we're looking at here. It's all about putting the work in. So once you go from the 15-day business challenge with Legendary Marketer, you can promote it through TikTok or through YouTube. Now the benefits are, with TikTok you can have the ability to promote it quick, make videos wherever you are. So if you have a busy lifestyle, you can literally be sitting on your sofa, make TikTok videos and literally say, I'll show you exactly how to make money online, all of this kind of thing. Now if you want to know where you're going to get the ideas of how to make money online, don't invent the wheel, replicate what other people are doing. So find the hard part to be to researching methods that are legitimate, that actually are gonna allow people to make a lot of money online. But once you find the legitimate ways, obviously you can say to the people, it takes a little bit of effort, or maybe it's service or that kind of thing. But people have a lot of time these days. If they want to make money online that way, they can do. But we don't want any low ticket items. We want high ticket items. So we're promoting low ticket offers. So things that are very basic for people, but then obviously we're gonna introduce them to something that's quite simpler for them to do, which is legendary marketer, which in the long run is a more viable business and it can actually provide a sustainable income for them. So this is all about helping people to discover something that actually works and will allow them to generate a lot of money online, all the way up to $10,000 in a single month. Legendary marketer does that for you. So I've got all this link down below in the description. When you click that link down below in the description, you're going to be able to see a video of Dave Sharp with Legendary Marketer. So with these strategies, you literally are going to direct link it here. Now the reason why I'm saying direct link first is because you want to sort of know if your content is good enough to actually generate leads. Now when people do click that link down below in the description for you, it's going to put that affiliate, that person who's joined onto your list into the legendary marketer pool. Now it's going to show up as that you've earned a lead into the legendary marketer system. Now with this lead that you earn into the legendary marketer system, obviously you're going to gain commission if they do eventually decide to purchase a product, or they go through the challenge or that kind of thing. But the key thing is you want to know that your content is alright, you're making content that's worthy. And then after that, we're going to start building our landing page. Now what our landing page is going to actually allow us to do is to narrow that even further down, and it's going to allow us to capture emails that we're going to send, the automated series that's going to provide value after value. Either it's going to be training or more confidence in the actual product, showing more proof of people that are earning, so that people actually know how to actually use this particular program and that kind of thing. So thank you for watching this quick video. I'm going to move over to my next video in this today, so I can show you exactly what we're going to be doing next with Legendary Marketer. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you click that link down below in the description if you want to start Legendary Marketer without any slowdown. Basically, you want to start now